Today I must talk about the super awesome oil-free piston air compressor. Its biggest highlight is that it doesn't need oil to lubricate, which saves a lot of trouble. There is no oil emulsification or oil leakage, which are troublesome. It's so comfortable to use, and its whole machine protection level reaches IP68. The whole series is first-class energy efficiency. Noise is below 75 decibels. Whether it's severe cold or heat, or wind or rain, from -40 degrees Celsius to 75 degrees Celsius, it can run stably. It's super reliable. If these haven't touched your heart, don't worry, we can customize it according to your needs. There must be a solution that satisfies you. If you have ideas, please follow me quickly. I'll take you to learn about air compressors every day.